Rising Star Music Workshop is a pilot program that offers a collaborative and highly tailored music experience geared towards young musicians aspiring to reach for more in their musical lives. Through one-on-one and group training in songwriting and improvisation, our participating young musicians will work with peers and teaching mentors in a collaborative 4-part workshop that will culminate into a full day of recording at the Creamery Studio in Brooklyn, New York. The group's goal is to record 4 tracks of original music that will then be published as an EP. Our aim is for every young musician to leave this experience to continue their pursuit of music with passion and curiosity. Hi, my name is Ryan Anselmi. I'm a musician and composer in Jersey City, New Jersey. Thank you so much for watching my video about Rising Star Music Workshop. I am over the moon excited to invite you to be a part of this project with me. I'm seeking to raise $2,800 and startup and operational costs that will make all the difference in the world for us to make this a success. Raising these needed funds will make sure the pilot not only goes off, but that the workshop's future has a solid foundation. Thank you so much for your contribution in advance, and I'm looking forward to sharing this whole process with you as we go along. Thank you.